technology. Everything we've ever created exists for a purpose, and that purpose is for something good, that purpose is for human beings. How do we get people to understand the natural resources of humankind using technology? How do we take people to places that they may never have been before and inspire them to help protect the environment and use technology in ways that we can't even think about yet right now? To think that we can, come out here, send drones up, send heat map cameras, start to bring in some new technology, to start to build out applications that might predict new sites, or help rangers kind of map out where the locations are, that's really special. That's a really cool thing to be a part of.
Help folks, they are the original mappers anyway. Here we are in 2021, and you're coming out here with drones and the new cameras and things like that. It's important to do that because we've got to retain our culture. We've got to show the next generation what we're doing. So we're just continuing the great work that our people did years ago.
What was initially, a couple of thoughts sitting under the stars with Johnny having a beer, as we've connected in all these other people, it's just, you can just see the threads flowing through different aspects.
You're coming out here from a science and technology point of view, you should think about the opportunity the skills that you bring to the area and how that can be unique. And if you're coming out just to enjoy yourself, I think the people have got to understand the tranquility of things.